National Service Secretariat. What man say? It's in court. What?
It's in court.
I will in court, but
you'll be appearing.
No, I will go. One content I will go. Any team, any enkrofo a
yes,
I didn't. We dem chodo. What man? About pepper say nya recheck. Are you a judge? If they called me, I'll go. If you call Chairman. So the question is, some enkrofo we nyina to mo na gidi omo so. Yatia, everybody saw the no obo Ghana nature security. One obo ambosia. Wo ba adi wo Kweku Addo Kofi Addo. Wo na once na 2 series. On your bomb, Busia, now on
allegedly or tall estate,
baby, no, where I turn again about to get Adenta at 27 apartments, and a good you bring what community. When you're standing, well, in a crown, what boy, you need Yagro. And I remember the last one, Mustapha Hamid. Me know the Saka Nani at the party office. Saka to a party boy. Mustapha Hamid, who does a so crown on top of Kokwamo Biano. When I'm doing a chain also got child say a winning ball say Eva.
He's a doctor, he's a lecturer.
And today, I confirm a PhD 20, I'm child University of Ghana, and I can win the lecture of what. Young winning at the party of me a party. Mini,
so a former
youth organizer. Only who need debt. What the 4 or 5 years I could find the call MP one. At me, I go down 20. East Legon, Roma Ridge, we're feeling such more than 50. Ama, and court in the Saturday.
Yes, we are confiscated.
Not just Uncle for Mustapha Hamid. One of the better at Sasawa. Nipa no prepare to Cocovidia. And maybe a chum. Last 2, 3 years, 4 years, if you're saying Namasho is Kenny. Yet Yam Hanan Sokai, a food buffer man.
Yeah.
1 on 9, 1 in the buffer stock. Many McCarthy share national security. One in the Yidi Rona, I'm better as I'm going to Adam Sakisiki Somo. You are going to Clemente, national security. Clemente who? Question the war. Yeah, what to confuse fear what's in the other. She's car funding some and Yanin near my young people never money. Ghana 40 and you know, or no qua for home at the original. Want to be a party will play. Patches a party, we know.
Yes, I should have video.
That is how video no. As uncle for we near to home. Near no more groom, Madame. It's a better than to your nurse and the sack of town you know. Kayani are funny from cockroaches and go we are going to Johnny.
Well, I say, Kojo Kyeremanteng, a former constituency youth organizer of the NPP. Or then
NDC for
never coming now. What to begin to go?
You did, Mamma Cassa. Yeah, Cassa, after your marking. I can say, you're too about an MPP winning.
But in fact, I didn't effort to Ghana from Facebook.
You are prepared the bonnet. Have you ever said the Duke of Pimse? You're being on Benya Kwa, we are near Madiako. Woman to a map for normal cars. When I come through, Sammy, because they say the darling of NDC. And I'm going to brand you, my papa child, brand. I didn't know about I didn't think so. Well, Buama Ghana, she said, Conanim, Ghana, Mamma, be Samina, Buama, or no manager, Bank of Ghana, I finance ministry, and then gold board. Economy, that was said, that was smooth to know. And a Greek minister, because inflation, a Greek affairs, and someone was wrong. And the form team and now supporting your BBI come on. And now did it 3 times. Who did it 3 times? And maybe I check who PF fear no Johnny. We are so mabedi denuso it be a mammy and once one or twice more. And now we just can't jab me and ready animal share be good. Saka and then I'll pay you. Yeah, I'm sorry. Muduman what's a branch so you know about some Gyamfi depending NPP. Ebinio.
Matisha only acting.
Oh, the son of the Sabian and some phone amudi. One of this Cabeko should be more Sadian and Nicoshimo, men per profit, what to be that? Be as a quiet Nico, you be a quiet young film, but I say a quiet papa. I see a Gusumi good year, but to my money, so be 10, 15, 20 years, no portos maso. Said the Sika should be BMA, as a Saga income fix Adiamo. Sadia could pass him left off and one, Mosadian because ye are crown for. Bibi never be a person for that enemy. You didn't pass her near Janico. A child also support this cause. Cause a bimbo when your political a collapse of your own and Yawing and Krobunians. Why didn't be Bibeko should be more when your profit or Beko shim? One when your advantage at the crow, Yanobeko. Saka to open contract. Una mo per contract. Ade na go per contract. Our ministries. Ade na contract. We contract our certificate. Ade na per jumaye. Minia Kofi. Nya kakra be nya fi hu. Unum so do sika ko hyem. Na sabia mu ye ma supply. Education and finance. We wie na 1,000 ko hyem mu a. We be wie betete bi o 200 as a profit that be ko hyem. Enti ya pass be obi say be guide ye nyina me nyina dey. Yet man hyehyɛ pa ne akoya nimu a. Mo se mo ntiase. Enti na mo de minority na mo bae no. Bibi abe oposu. Minority asabia musabia nya do dia na so unim nyanza. Who be some grounds there. Yeah, go pass be no me take to bucho.
Dabi. Adia na yem say.
Saka wo de mani.
What you say? So some dey ewiasa mba bibia mba oposu bibia. Dabi o, adia na ya ye anya ena this buy ya. Onima bo mo ye na ya, o mo nka ho asem mpo. Na mo nim nyina ma ne kama. Bibia na ma fam na mo kama. Because when say we the boy man, we the more man, a different. But the boy man, I mean, you call a nimuno. I know the Muslim say. Kofi 2 years sure say, Neka crowd be Yantias over the Jumaha. A crowd from only canal petrol crowd, you are not about 10 minutes, and I'm a boy. When you saw that brave, you are Bosuman Bessono, Kofi Mays and Anan and Prebi and every country be Kakro Benyadiamo Muntino, me ba Nimbia, me Gibia, so amount of the Tifi, many of this profit. It means our profit and many be kakra of fear. No, so they said they bear me home harem yanuntia. Any yakoba. We are sure Sabia Babetrai. Politics are ye, Yankopon. Where are so Juma? Yang Abatra Yakasa, Minisaka, Yakasa. So they bear a political party or table bar. The better my baby. I'm here to Timaya profit a few near Timakoyanim. It is idea where so much Montiase. But I'm with the buy no, your Baba Ball chrono. Krono boy no ya nyamfa so Ghana nyamfa so bia etikwa be ne mefa so de be ya ne se bia o se sky train ani e kan Ghana nyamfa so bia enyema be bram de ma contract Ghana nyamfa so bia eno an se bo ho kakeke causing financial loss to the state eno ko na ba be because of the ye ko pass mran be guide ye am ye bibia ye conscience na ya gire na areset ye se da bi ade e ko nyamfa so tinwa say ba we de be nyamfa so ntianye eno we de be guide ye so I don't know the way Muntiase. It me former party NPP. Omunya bibia on the opposition am one. Am I with the quality of the opposition? And as I do in Abe Kofi. Me say efie bia 1 to 2 niema ye bia when you busu pani papa bia. Sa de beba. Afanya Mark is not a leader. Afanya Mark behave like Lumba busu pani. What was it? Busu pani go to park. Pintrenti ade anyanko an to park here. What was it? And now open we dey busapania ye two ade so a ye two the whole Ghana. What was it? Busapani to park and go on the TV nipa we is to go abrekwa kwaje permit. Onye bibia before we to see nipa obabi no and who should so nya de keto wo. Ba otima ko see nipa ho nom. E Ghana mra so na ye to ne ye papa we can see someone say get to them. Even but see nipa obabi a be see even pipes and suo FM kekekra no say a certain meters ansa ne hode dey asie environment no nipa at that area no anya bia from on be home ne ade no ade ensusanso de bebro mo anya bia nipa na owu yare be ne ku no enye yare bia go obi nya ye ne ba fie e be dey ene be twam ofie to park enhwemu enyina na no ababe sie ni nipa wo East Legon emra na gya no nam the same thing na NPP wo obi ti say La Paz MP Owusu yesade man e friend say no one of the nice guy lawyer no what man say safa obi ti say na wo ye ne leader akwana dwumu da ho ne bibia okay we kama but muti leader sa but from kware I whip deputy whip yom go fa no shaibu bi no ma parliament bu sa won krofo nyansa fo ofie ho no mo sa obi de ma obi a fa ne ho ba Sammy oku ho no de sa leader no ma sa shaibu.
But Mustapha Hamid is a very intelligent.
Intelligent in terms of
talking about.
And Kofi be more intelligent. Yeah, na nyan people go can use obi my parliament oni rules oni bibia all by the people. Waka parliament is when the rules of the law when one by within 1 month just imagine a party not for kubolos no leaders. Eto mo ntini amase ena mo nto mo bunsu ade ti da bia bibia on be post bia no e de ningwa seneba e de party ni mo nyamba fam ka niema bi on message to support niema no ye ti ko ya nim so simple e ti the American church am pesa mo ba within the 40 years imu a yes our behavior saka jai na join another force send this me catch us NDC there nibi sotia what the enubone afra diane de ko no obi aya appointee abetra studio sametue e ka se sari pa nya de betu ni di atubia because ebe ya de ebe embarrassment and bibi one sem fun keka it is a Kojo Kyeremanteng na Kofi Mensa na sa aka ne ye chire dia enka better say ga ni di betu bia onye nipa ne bo bia yenya nchemfa ne ho etendisi for na yaman pipi for no wo fa bia no pa no anajo ko chira dai wo china ma media obi anya we say ya fa Kofi Mensa mo janko fe bebre no ma fa mo osuma se na mo no mo gro madam ase ba me pa bona say mampani by next week next month ni mu no wonya reach for system no yentimi ku eni be mo say cabinet approve we a fast track court to aya when they call parliament on be chentem assembly e be any 4 months Kofi ni eni wawie wontimi na me campaign wontimi on na me campaign mo to some freezing account open national chair mo freezing account na no ko to Asante region we shi am no mo bia 500 Ghana cedis when ya allege we mi ni me one video mo bibia we wie na Agyarko so koye Agyarko so pe Boakye Agyarko one so pe to ko mo bia the same 500 Ghana cedis o mo be shi am no ultimate ya no e fa di akire o di amika ko top 59000 because Boakye Agyapong we be also freezing account no when you scan o he wa bokro no di bebrasi enchai etika kran o freezing no and can quote na can shirt I'm telling you so it's not a time crofo we be at Kofeska yemfa kwa na oje we di farm enuan samane yake we kwa we di wa anya hwe we tene ho e krokro no wait 2-3 weeks pine 50 years 35 years woni wani abanko she na kwa wie na mutete grofo mutete akrofo wo do mo yedai oh yes anu na ma sa ne ma wo nyina ya omutie ojo omo anim ni adan afanyo ma keye ECG ona no da ECG e bo chema hwe scandal se ko ECG ni ade muti friend pe musa one question afanyo ne na won no to nyampia ba bia no e bo chema bia nsem ase onya de keto ECG for ko fa sa we so kai containers enye container ada wa no oh some way omu kwati 8 months omu this guy free what ma say ni nyina ona no e bo chema honum I don't dey kwesi say SAS Cam company am kokko fa ba hoyi what ma say e kwesi say 8 months omu gigi Ghana for sika omu de ko I don't dey ba e di ene e to na e hwe omu obi a wodi boni bi a e di na e hwe no ye tia no ni pedi 96 years was so feasibility studies on railway so come here konfi e kwesi say ye tia na sister no sky train
Thank you very much. Let's crack the Dubois story right now. And we warned the Attorney General about excessive press conferences that were not the way in which prosecutors work. Prosecutors will usually go to court and make their case. Dominic Ceases, the Attorney General, began his work with excessive press conferences. Now he has stopped. But we are waiting for his next press conference because some of the things happening in the court, well, we have to wait to see. But it looks like what is happening in the court is not bearing out what he said at the press conference. It appears like that. The judge is the ultimate decision maker. We are not the decision makers. The High Court judge is the ultimate decision maker. We understand that in the process, the judge has been changed. Whilst we know that the Chief Justice has the prerogative to do that, no reasons have been assigned to the lawyers as to why the judge was changed. But we do know that the Chief Justice has the prerogative to change judges. So the judge in the Kwabena Agyapong case has been changed. His Lordship Justice Nyandu has been replaced with a new judge who heard the case 2 days ago. The last 3 times they were in court was a new judge. But the kind of testimony coming out of the court is serious. Have a look at this conversation on Peace FM and then we'll come and give you the data and the facts. Have a look.
Already edit Ruby Opokua Eduamwa. Na anti edit Ruby Opokua Eduamwa. And then you get back and say, "Boy, Asantoa." One walk with the dance here. Say, Kwabena Adubuahe. Kwabena Adubuahe, your bonus of what say, "Hey, Sika, where we are not there, one of 5 questions." Attorney General Ben on press conference. Say, "No, maybe Bob Raman and yes, hey, Attorney General." Say, "Be would now ye Okunini Womrem, a ban lawyer penny pow." Na Emram ya young qua Emram school you be enemy say. Say, "There's so Bob Dominic." Said Dominic, why you ABC dear? Ye no one said the court. Near Kwaku Duasem. Now court na chesa, someone wanted to Dominic see, or do for and now or dip them. Nanso, Nansende, Asamba Attorney General press conference. One bit chim in the way you say, Yes, 49.1 million Ghana cedis. Hrabasa ayira every national coffers. Yera you national security fusika and the fine kusi. Odansini baako ani dinde edit Ruby Opoku Aduamwa and Wokodi Adansia. Ono in charge of finance or say ye nimsi kebi a 49.1 million. Ayira. And you say na yamwana mo no si ohontia me intro. Ade aminim no menka. Mentimi nka ne ono aye Attorney General second prosecution witness. Attorney General na witness yo. Second prosecution witness. Aba beja say ono edit Ruby Opoku Aduamwa. Yan kanche no to ogina Accra High Court o esini pine. Say she has no record. HSA 49.1 million Ghana cedis. Aya at free national security for Adosu. In this answer, ya can the any castronum, menamna metete, menamna metete, obeti pe. Eti yabasra Ghana perifo. Hwe enipa ni onyam atisenkosua eto for my sebe na ase ya nesa. Se asamba mumma court ne mra no anya adwuma na yenya se yedi kan crucify no public court se nipa na sam wom se na sam nim ni aka no nwura abranti Kwabena Adubuahi se de asi ahoro ne pa
ye be ye nhwehwem be wie ne wonifo a na nani onyam be se de siesie ni me twu kan ntiase no man be kure
ba se mu de me kwa me ebo na emi de se ye kan ho asem. Say your best Attorney General saying Kebeya press conference about cases no ka on kaso. Na on my court ni nya adwuma.
One Ghana city adwenkyere ni say hu hia. Kwa ye nhwehwemu wo wi a won krata document we de akwa akoma court na wo afiri ho no. Tietia.
Na Miss Edith Ruby Opoku Aduamwen on serve as head of finance within the National Security Bureau. It wonye say bia obi a wotakwanche bi agigi susu bi o. When you part our national security ho now no serve as second witness what can you pay say 49.1 million Ghana cedi bianwa.
Oh, why do I have this behind? Please, can you change it very quickly? It was disturb the video. Yes, thank you. So you heard that. So what happened in court was that the lady said to the court, and I'm going to show you the text, that, you know, the Attorney General's case was formulated on some 49 million that is missing, or some 49 million that has been stolen by Kwabena Agyapong. They had their exchange rates and translated the 49 million to be $7 million. They said that Kwabena introduced an account together with his wife called BNC Private Account. Listen to Dominic Ceases speaking to Ghanaians months ago in 2025. Listen to Dominic Ceases.
The transfer from the National BNC's account brought the total transfers that he made to his private BNC to 49 million Ghana cedis. By the exchange rate at the time, this amount was exactly the Ghana cedi equivalent of 7 million United States of American dollars. The transfer from the National BNC's account brought the total transfers that he made to his private BNC to 49 million Ghana cedis. By the exchange rate at the time, this amount was exactly the Ghana cedi equivalent of 7 million United States of American dollars. The transfer from the National BNC's account brought the total transfers that he made to his private BNC to 49 million Ghana cedis. By the exchange rate at the time, this amount was exactly the Ghana cedi equivalent of 7 million United States of American dollars.
Can you hear that? An attorney general going to court to prosecute a case. He comes to do a press conference and pronounces the accused person guilty to the general public in pursuit of oral. Their oral, the so-called oral. In pursuit of oral, the learned attorney general does something that has never happened in the history of the Fourth Republic. And we've said it here many, many, many times. The first Attorney General of the Fourth Republic is probably Ato Forson. Or is it Tando? Maybe it's Tando. And then Ato Forson. And then Nobeda Samoa. And then Akufo Addo. Papa Owusu Ankoma. Ayukwe Joe Gate. Marietta Brew. Isn't it? Yeah, it is indeed. No. Betty Mold Idrisu. And then you had Martin Amidu. And then you had who else? Somebody came, and then you had at MPV coming, isn't it? Gloria Kufu, Godfrey Dame. No Attorney General, none of them, not even the revolutionary Obeda Samoa, will hold a press conference and pronounce an accused person guilty. And I've said it before, when we're covering quality grain in 2001, 2002, Nana Akufo Addo was the Attorney General. He was prosecuting the case. Together with the Director of Public Prosecutions, he died. May he rest in peace. His name is Safo Sampong. And they will not even grant interviews after court. Akufo Addo thought that it was unethical to grant interviews after court when you are prosecuting. Not with Dominic Ayini. As for him, oh, the picture is not yet. Sorry, viewers. As for Dominic Ayini, he comes to the market and pronounces people guilty in the ears of the general public. Do you know what has happened to Dominic Ayini? As a lawyer, who is a seasoned lawyer like him, who has been teaching law for many years, he was listening to a journalist. How can a journalist, we journalists, we are whistleblowers. The work of a journalist is essentially whistleblowing. The whistle that we blow, some of it may be correct, some may not be correct. Eventually, those that are correct, the state benefits. So journalists are whistleblowers. Journalists don't take a tooth comb and go through a process to determine what is actionable and what is not actionable. When we are doing our stories, we don't check whether this is a violation of Act 29 or that the procedures have been violated. That's not our call. Our call is to throw the light on whatever is happening, to point people to something may be happening here so that authorities can act. But if you are a prosecutor, an important one like the Attorney General, and your ears are given to a journalist to tell you the case you are making, then you will be holding press conferences like that and be talking about things that are not even actionable. They were talking about Edubwai has cars, Edubwai has houses. That has not even come up in the courts. It's not part of the court work. That is how we journalists are. We are whistleblowers. We are not prosecutors. We can't help you to prosecute. We can just blow the whistle so that you, the Attorney General, you can look into the matter and come back and tell us something. That is why Dom Levo said that the oral, most of the things that came is garbage. That's why Dom Levo said that. He said it's garbage. Because that is our work as journalists. We are blowing the whistle. So Dominic Ayini may have ceded his office to a journalist to tell him what to do. And that is why we are having what we are having. Listen to Joy FM's report of the matter that happened in court. Fresh allegations, fresh revelations, it says, emerged in court today during the cross-examination of the prosecution's second witness and head of the finance at the National Signals Bureau, Ruby Edith Edumwa, as the trial involving Kwabena Agyapong and others continued. Now, you have to understand, viewers, that the said Ruby Edumwa is a director of finance at the National Signals Bureau. She is a witness for the prosecution. The prosecution have brought her to court so that hopefully she will make their case for them, or she will support the case that they are making. The case they are making is that Kwabena Agyapong, together with his wife, siphoned 49 million Ghana cedis that belongs to the state, and that's why they are being prosecuted. Here is their prosecution witness who is coming to tell us how Kwabena Agyapong siphoned 49 million together with his wife. Listen to what she says. This is what she says. The witness told the court that in her capacity as the head of finance within the national security setup, she is not aware of any theft or missing 49.1 million. The witness, the director of finance, under whose auspices all the financial transactions go, she is saying to the court, as a prosecution witness, that's me, I'm not aware that any money has been stolen. Let's go on. She further stated that she has not reported any such financial loss to her superiors, the Attorney General, Iyoko, and Auditor General, or the police. According to her, it would have been her responsibility to flag any such irregularity if it had occurred. She also indicated that there has been no complaint, management query, or adverse findings from the National Security Establishment regarding any missing 49.1 million. Her testimony adds a new dimension to earlier proceedings where she disclosed that Edu Boahen was compelled by financial constraints within the national security apparatus to arrange and pre-finance payment to suppliers. Under cross-examination by Defense Counsel Samuel Atachian, she explained that the institution was at one point left with a balance of just 11,000 cedis, prompting measures to address obligations with Ability Computers and Software Industries Limited of Israel. Edu Boahen, who is standing trial alongside his wife Angela Ejeboatin, faces multiple charges including causing financial loss to the state, money laundering, and stealing in connection with an alleged 49.1 million cybersecurity contract scandal. Speaking to the media after the proceedings, Defense Counsel Samuel Atachian maintained that the prosecution's witness is being factual and that nothing can change the evidence presented. So far, so very good. The prosecution's witness is just being factual, and there's no way you can improve upon the facts that are before the court. There's nothing we have put across that is not from the prosecution itself. If your adversary is admitting your facts, then the conclusion is yours, he said. The developments in court appear to contrast with earlier claims by the Attorney General Dominic Ayini, who alleged that Edu Boahen transferred 49.1 million from a Bureau of National Communications account into a private company account linked to himself and his wife. However, previous court proceedings reveal that the funds in question were disbursed through checks signed by the National Security Coordinator and drawn from the coordinator's account NSC at Fidelity Bank for special operations. The defense argues that this undermines claims that the accused acted unilaterally. The case has been adjourned to the 9th of April as cross-examination continues. That's the Joy FM reports, which says that what is coming out is showing a clear contradiction between the facts that have been delivered to the court and the press conference that was run by Dominic Ayini, the Attorney General. I am waiting for Dominic Ayini to call another press conference. I understand that Felix Kwachu is with the president around the country. I'm sure that when he's back, he will call Dominic Ayini to hold another press conference so that media can ask him these questions. That Mr. Attorney General, you said the guy has stolen. Your witness in court said the guy has not stolen and that she is not aware of any thefts. But you said the guy has stolen.
You were invited by the OSP some time back.
Yes, yes.
What was it about?
They were concerned about some revenue assurance contract at the airport. And at the airport, we had an engagement with a company to assure us of the revenue that the airport was getting, whether it was legitimate or not. The company came up with an idea that they could increase the revenue for us by placing some checks and balances on the people who were collecting the revenue for us. And we engaged with them, and we left before the details happened. The OSP was investigating a company called SML. And they had observed that the SML company had a relationship with a company that we had given or purported to give a contract to. And they assumed that there was some fishy deal in the matter. I don't speak much about it because they apparently they are still investigating.
Oh, interesting.
So we're waiting for them.
So you were invited, you just answered your questions and...
I was detained, as you may know.
Yes, I heard that.
Yeah, because they wanted a bail condition I couldn't satisfy. Eventually was satisfied, so...
What kind of place were you detained? How was the place?
Oh, you get detained in the cells at the BNI.
How's the place like? Describe
it's a cell. You go, there are other people there. Then you go and hang out with them, talk to them, chat with them. And they'll ask you why are you here. You ask them why they are here. And you talk. If you are a talkative like me and you want a story, you can talk to them. I got a few stories which I'll release much later, not anytime soon, because I engaged them, spoke to everybody there.
Interesting. So it's like, is it like the Nima police station cell? You know, the kind of cell where you have your toilet right there. You know, you have beds.
You have mattresses. A bit more decent than that. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. And we were told that it's a bit more decent than that when they were taking us there.
You know, they were feeding you okay.
I didn't get the opportunity. I think I had breakfast, and then at lunchtime we were told that we should get out. So 3 of us. So we went there in the evening at 7. We had eaten already. So breakfast we had, and then about 11 o'clock we left.
Were you maltreated in any way?
No,
anybody tried to
they don't do that. They just put you in the cell and wait for instructions. But you don't know what's happening outside the world. So if you are coming from the life I'm coming from, you can be very concerned. For a few hours you are there, you don't have your phone, you don't have anything.
Not even a book?
You can read a book as I did, but they will have to check what is in the book, because according to their rules, if it's a book that is going to get you to commit suicide, then they won't let you read it. So they have to see the content. And mine was just a normal political book. So.
Wow. So there's not even a TV there, nothing?
No, you are not supposed to, because you are thought to have been in the middle of doing something wrong. So you are not as free as you should be, until you are asked to get out of the cell. Like,
so you also have to take off your shirt and stuff?
Yeah, you take off everything, and they have some gown they'll give you to wear. And you take off your... It's not that complicated if you are confident that you've done nothing wrong and you know that you'll be released soon because you've done nothing wrong. But it can get complicated if you, for instance, you don't have legal representation. Some of the people I spoke to, they have come there, they don't even know all together what they've done. Wow. They were standing somewhere and an arrest was conducted and they were arrested. And they don't know anybody, and that can be very telling. Yeah, there are people. There were people there like that.
So what, like a case of being in the bath?
Oh, so when I got out, I spoke to some lawyers that I can't mention their name, of course, and told them that, Charlie, this is the guys they're going to see. 2 of them, I think, have gotten out since.
That
can be telling. I mean, if there was some suggestion that if people are brought to detention center, the people who brought them there within 1 week, they should either, the detention center should either release them, or the people should come and say something, because they were telling us sometimes they bring the people here and they forget. So they either come from OSP or they've come from Iyoko, or Iyoko has brought some 5 people. Iyoko hasn't come back to the detention center. That the 5 people we brought, where are they? 4 months, they haven't come back. The people at the detention center don't know what to do. These guys came here, the guys asked them, they say, your bosses haven't said anything, so we don't know. That's a problem. That's a problem. But if you have good legal representation and you are confident of this and that, you should be okay. But the problem is, people get there, they don't even know why they are there. They are nobodies, nobody, they don't know anybody, they don't know any lawyer. They were going to buy, the guy told me he was going to buy tea. And then they say, hey, arrest. And they arrested some people and they say, you too, I say, it's part of what? Then they took him
to buy tea.
Yeah.
They just carry
but you're going to buy tea. So you happen to be there when the arrest is being conducted on some guy. And they arrest the guy and they arrest other people.
So wait, if they come here purposely for, say, Mekrikwi, they can arrest all of us?
No,
I don't get it.
Not just that. So they are looking for some fraud guy or something.
Right.
The fraud guy buys check at East Legon.
So they are
every
not sure
midnight.
Exactly.
Yeah. So
when they get there,
they waylay him, and this fraud guy comes with forecasts, and some are sitting at the back of the car. They are, that kind of thing. The movement they do, the we feeling. So they waylay them. The security waylay them. They see the guy has arrived. They say that is him. But they sort of arrest all the people with the intention to go and look at it. But if they're looking at it after they arrest and send you guys there, and they get another assignment and they are going to somewhere, they have another assignment, they are going somewhere. Then
I have a similar experience.
Right.
Back in Legon, at the University of Ghana, one night a policeman stopped me and took me to the Legon police station. When he took me, the lights were off. There were no lights, So he just told me to sit down. And I sat. Mercury, I don't even know when the guy left. I had been sitting there for like 20, 30 minutes. And then, people were coming in. There was some lantern, something, It was this around 2003, And then the lights came on. And when the lights came on, one of the people said, hey, I'm watching our hands where. I was the guy was nowhere there.
Just like that.
Wow. Yeah, he had just left. So if they had put me behind bars in the counter, that's how Paul, that's serious.
Yes, it is. It is.
That really is serious. I mean, they just threw you. They don't catch you before Mercury.
It's not their fault. They get onto another assignment.
Yeah. So they just move on. Anyway, I promise you will not go past 10.
Yes,
so
please.
I'm going to try to be bringing this conversation to a close. We have about 2 years to go for another election. I mean, you followed politics for a while. What, 2 years, right?
2 years. 2 years and a bit, a bit more than that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, you followed politics for a while. Everybody knows who's going to be representing the New Patriotic Party.
Yeah.
If you were to advise Dr. Bawumia on who you think a running mate should be.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.